Hi everybody, Teresa with Hick-A-Billy LLC, and today was a whopper of a day. And as you can see, this is all I have left of my goats. I sent off 52 goats to the sale barn. My fear is that we're going to have another drought year and I won't be able to afford to buy the feed for as many goats as I did have. And so I had to downsize, and I also need to manage my herd better, so I had to get to a point where I can better manage what I've got. So I figured this would be what I need. So it was very heartbreaking because having to decide on who was going and who wasn't is very difficult. So very heartbreaking. I gave up some very beloved ones that I've had for multiple years, 6 to 9 years, and it was very sad for me today. And then on top of that, one of the kids got smothered in the trailer when we were hauling them to the sale barn. Oh, sorry about that. And then on our way home, we hit a deer. Although I raise goats for meat for other people to eat, I have not eaten any of my own because I've gotten attached to them, and I don't think I can stop getting attached to them. So I figure I will have to just love them as pets and know that when they do go, that they had a good life. So the gal who got smothered was a good, usable goat. So I just finished processing her out to a good stopping point where I got her into the freezer. I do have to do more processing down, but we are going to use her. This will be the first time I am going to attempt to eat one of my own goats, and I will let you know how this goes because I might not be able to stomach it. We'll see how it goes. And her coat, I want to try and learn to tan. I can flesh. I have done all of that, but I am going to learn how to brain tan. So I'll be showing you videos of that. And the deer that we have, I've got her gutted and hanging, hanging, and I will process her out tomorrow. It's just been a long day. I'm very tired, and we've done so much. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys to see a look at what has happened at my place here with my goats. Now, the cool thing about Montana is that there's a law that allows us to take damaged game. And so, it's a free permit. We apply for it online. So when we hit that deer, we were able to take that deer home and have more meat in our freezer, which is a blessing because we are short on meat, on game meat for this year. So I'm happy about that, but devastated that we, had to hit her because she was a fawn. She was not a mature adult, so that really hurts. She didn't get to have a good life yet, or at least a couple of years to produce and make more babies. So that was sad. It was heartbreaking to have lost that little girl, my little girl goat, but I know that going to the sale barn, at least 99% of them all go for meat also. That's just a side of what I do that I don't see, and so this is all new for me to be able to utilize what I'm doing. And emotional wise, I'm pretty much an emotional wreck at this point, because of losing some of my animals. But you know, you have to do what's best for you, and you have to do what you gotta, you know, basically you gotta do what you gotta do. Me taking advantage of what's come our way in a positive, and you know, going from there. So I hope everyone's doing well. My Lily there, the white gal, the little one there in the middle standing, looks very thin. So see, this was one of the reasons why I'm also we had to get rid of so many, because they were just going through the feed so quickly, and the smaller ones were not getting food as much as the bigger, stronger ones, like Tala here. You know, some of these girls over here, Miss Mildred over there. You know, they're getting more of the food, and the littler ones just was not getting enough, like Lily here. And so she'll be able to start gaining some weight and getting healthy again. I did not breed this fall for the reason of waiting for these girls, especially the thinner ones here, to get their body conditions back up, because I had too many goats. I really did. With the 2 feeders, I probably needed another feeder in here. They probably would have had more access to the feed, but I don't have enough feed this year. This was kind of a rough year. So anyway, here's where I'm at, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day and enjoy yourselves. And I wish you the best with your homesteads, your farms, your ranches. And I can't wait for spring to come for some gardening. All right, everyone. Talk to you later.